Every day new products come out that people want to buy. You get the eyeballs to those products only using AI and Kingpin method, and you get results. AI Leaderboard Kingpin stands out as the ultimate tool to help you dominate leaderboards and earn thousands of dollars daily. The best part? You don't need prior experience, any upfront investment, or even a following. With AI Leaderboard Kingpin, success is at your fingertips, no matter where you are in the world. If you don't know, a leaderboard represents which affiliates bring in the most sales for a product. You get to pick new products each day, use artificial intelligence to send buyers to those products, and make serious money and win contests that make you even more profit. Crush leaderboards daily and make money from anywhere in the world with no skills needed, no difficult setup, no previous experience, no further investment, no need for your own website, and you don't even need your own offer. If you have an internet connection, you can now dominate leaderboards, make tons of sales to your own product sales, and sell any other affiliate program, all with AI Leaderboard Kingpin. AI Leaderboard Kingpin harnesses the power of AI to drive traffic to any offer on or offline. This gets you paid in a way that works like nothing you have ever seen. Using hidden, secret AI tools other marketers don't even know to exist. The first way that the Kingpin method dominates is by ranking at the top of Google in multiple areas at once. The second way is by getting insane amounts of laser-targeted buyer traffic from major traffic platforms that have millions of people accessing them every day. The third way is by using special AI to exploit other areas of the internet that other marketers never dream of using or even know exists. You can literally use this to sell anything in any niche. It is that powerful. Get ready to step into a world of unlimited possibilities with AI Leaderboard Kingpin. Pick up AI Leaderboard Kingpin now and finally get the results that you deserve. Check out the description box now.